Hello everyone, welcome to Student Fund Manager. In this video, I am going to show you how to get Nifty Indices data without using Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance works fine when you are trying to fetch stock data. However, it is not so good when you are trying to get data for Nifty Indices. When you try to get the data for indices, something like this happens. But fret not, because I will show you how to download this data for free. So we are going to download this from a site called Nifty Indices. We're going to scroll down and check the historical data. So I want the data for last 5 years for Nifty Auto. And as you can see, the data is given here and we can download the Excel format through this button. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped.